Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Snapchat profile background. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Snapchat, and then you need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and here you need to click on Snapchat Plus. Then simply need to scroll, and here you can see premium profile backgrounds. Click on that, click on view, and here you can see different backgrounds. So as you can see, so let me select a good one. So it looks so no, let me select another one. So I think this one is the best. Okay, and then you need to click on save. So this is the process by which you can get premium profile backgrounds on Snapchat. So here you can see. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.